I have the Powerbeats Pro tools, and I'll be showing you how to check the battery level when using Android. So the easiest way to do this is to first make sure you install the Beats app and set them up. So with the Beats app, there's a lot of information about your Powerbeats Pro tools. So when they are connected, like that, anytime you take the buds out of their case, you can see the individual battery level of each bud, the left earbud and the right earbud. And when you put them in the case, you can see also the battery level of the case. Okay, so that is the easiest way to do that. Make sure you have the app installed. I have a video on that, how to install that and how to set it up, so check it out. And that is how to check the battery level on Android. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you found this useful, and good luck.